TSA full body scan would reveal my heart beats only for you. That was the year that we installed the TSA body scanners. The cards really reflect a timestamp of the politics of what happened that year.
We're going to have a bit of a meditation. You can meditate with your eyes closed. I do encourage you to keep your eyes closed. Just let your body move the way your body is telling you to move.
I love the idea of chapbooks and zines because of the accessibility. So it's always going to be special to my heart. It helps maker, author, get their beautiful work into the hands of people.